Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? This is Pip Surfer with another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Hope you all had a great weekend. Today is Tuesday, December 9th, 2008, and I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into today's update. First thing I want to do is take a look at the news events for the day. You can go here by going to babypips.com and clicking on the Tools tab, and you'll see all the news reports that are coming out for the day. For me, when I'm trading the Cowabunga system, I look for news that affects the sterling and the dollar. And you can see at 4:30 we had manufacturing production, which was a pretty big event. And as well at 10 a.m. Eastern time, the U.S. had the pending home sales. But other than that, the day was pretty wide open. So just make a note of the time areas to watch for. And we have 4:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern time. And now that we've done that, we can go to our 4-hour chart and determine our overall trend. And this is what my chart looked like just before midnight, and you can see that the last trend change candle was up, meaning that the trend was currently up at the time I started trading. Now if I move forward through today's action, you can see here that the 7 o'clock candle formed a new trend change candle, and I know this RSI looks like it's going up, but it is below 50 and stochastic's trending down, so this makes a valid trend change candle. But this candle closed at 11, so the candle hasn't activated the new downtrend until 11 a.m. when the candle closes. So pretty much throughout the whole day, I was still only looking for long trades, except at 11 a.m., which is when I started looking for short trades. So that was how we determined our trend. Now we can simply go to our 15-minute chart, and I'll move this back before midnight so you can see what my chart looked like. And now what I'm going to do is just move forward one candle at a time, and you can see what my chart looked like throughout the day. Remember, I'm looking for long trades, and news times to watch out are 4:30 and 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, so you can see pretty quiet movement here in the early day. Get some bearish movement there. Price drops down to 47.50. Here we get a crossover at 5:15 a.m. RSI is above 50, stochastic's trending up. MACD has gone from negative to positive, so this is a valid entry. So you would enter at the close of this candle at 48.20. Our stop's going to be at the most recent swing low at 47.37, and the nearest 50 or 0 level is at 48.50. So now I can just let my trade go. And we are already past the news at 4:30, so this is fine. And you can see that the price goes against us, and you can see we actually get stopped out at 7:30 a.m. there. So nasty loss, but you gotta live with it and just take things as they go. So that trade is over. We took a loss there. Now we just move on. Okay, you can see more bearish movement here. This is 8:15, 8:30 candle. There's the news candle. Excuse me, that's not a news candle. I had a brain fart there. News candle isn't until 10. No news today at 8:30. It's just, you trade so much, and there's a lot of the U.S. news comes out at 8:30, so you just kind of get accustomed to that time area, and you just automatically look for it. And here's the 10 a.m. candle. This is the news candle right there. Okay. Here is a crossover for a long trade. This is at 10:30. Remember, my trend is still up, and so we look at the indicators here. We have a crossover. RSI is above 50. Stochastic's trending up. But if you look at MACD, it's positive, and the candle before was already positive on MACD. So this cancels out the signal, and there's no entry here. Okay, so I didn't enter because MACD didn't match up. And here's 11 o'clock, and now if I looked at my 4-hour chart, I would see that the 4-hour candle had closed and that a new trend change candle had formed, and so now I know that the trend has changed from up to down. So at this point I'm only looking for short trades. Okay, and here's the 12 o'clock candle, so that's when I stopped trading. So no short trades within that hour. So that was pretty much the day, but you could see that we took one loss, and then we almost had a trade here, but didn't quite happen because our MACD didn't line up. But a good educational learning day today, as far as looking at trend change candles and determining when the trend changes. So hopefully that gave you some good practice. And if you have questions, just go ahead and ask it on the blog and I'll answer it on the next update. So hope you all have a great day and continue to keep discipline with your trading system, your trading plans, and always follow good money management. So I will see you all on the next update. Cowabunga, dudes.